In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subscription using HubSpot 2025. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step of the process seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to manage subscriptions effectively within your HubSpot platform. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you've done that, navigate to the User Guide section of HubSpot. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL for HubSpot. Or if you already have it bookmarked, just give it a quick click. This brings you to the central dashboard where you can find a range of different options and tools. After you're in the User Guide section of HubSpot, your next step is to click on Commerce. This is where you manage all your business transactions and related financial information. You'll find the Commerce option neatly laid out in the navigation menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a section dedicated to all commerce-related activities, making it a breeze to manage sales and financial operations. Now that you're in the Commerce section, look for the Subscriptions tab and click on it. This is the specific area where you'll handle all things related to your customer subscriptions. By clicking here, you'll open a page that showcases a list of all existing subscriptions, allowing you to keep track of ongoing customer engagements and their respective billing cycles. To create a new subscription, locate the Create Subscription button. It should be prominently displayed, ready for you to take the next step. Click on it to open the subscription creation form. Here, you'll be prompted to fill in various details regarding the new subscription you'd like to set up. Take your time to carefully input all necessary information, such as subscription plans, pricing, duration, and any additional features or perks that come with the subscription. Remember, accuracy is key here, so double-check your entries to ensure there are no errors. Once everything looks good, you can finalize the subscription setup. HubSpot will now process your inputs and save the new subscription to your list, ensuring it is ready for activation or immediate use. And there you have it. You've just created a subscription in HubSpot 2025. This process not only helps you keep your offerings organized, but also streamlines communications with customers, making your business operations that much more efficient. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to subscribe and keep an eye out for more insightful tips and guides on using HubSpot and maximizing its potential for your business needs. Until next time, happy managing on HubSpot.